To install JAMOVI, first click on the setup file. Click on install. The installation file will install the JAMOVI software onto your system. Now once the installation is complete, the software will show this message and then you click on finish. Now if you want to open JAMOVI software, then you can just search here writing JAMOVI and this app will appear. So you can click on it. The software will start opening like this. Now that the whole of the screen has opened, you can see here this looks like an Excel sheet which will represent the data that you have collected, and this is the window of the output. Now here on the top you can see there are many options like new, open, import. You can import any file or open any file. You can save. Then here under data you will have to manage and edit all the data that you have. Under analysis you have all the analysis tools. Explore all these options. You can see here there is a sign called modules. So you can click on this plus sign and go to the JAMOVI library. Here you can see all the other modules that are available and you can install with your JAMOVI. These are all the available modules and you can click on these buttons and install. Here under installed you can see the already installed software bundle. Now under available we need to install three things. The first is JPower, that is Power Analysis for Common Research Designs 0.1.2. So we can click install here. Next you can install the survival module of clinical path for JAMOVI 0.0.2. This one you have to install. And finally the last module that you need to install is the Medicide, Functions for Medical Decision in Clinicopath JAMOVI module 0.0.1. So this you can install. After installing all these modules, you can start using the JAMOVI software.